Hi everybody and welcome back to HomeHeadChef. It's great to see you again. Today we're going to be making Steakhouse Pork Chops. Now these Steakhouse Pork Chops are amazing. What we're going to do is we're going to break down this pork loin here into nice thick chops and we're going to butterfly them open so they kind of look like a steak. We're going to hit them with our Killer Hogs steak rub. We're going to throw them on our Pit Boss smoker over some hickory. We're running about 325. It's not going to take that long. You just want to hit the internal temp of 145. We're going to pull them off and we're going to eat them. So first we're going to break down this pork loin. Alright, to break down this pork loin, we're going to trim off a nice little bit of this fat. Not much, because the fat is flavor. Just want to trim some of it back so we're not getting big old bites. We're going to want to trim off any silver skin as well. Square this up a little bit. Don't throw that fat away. It makes great use in sausages or summer sausage, ring bologna. Just gonna trim this back just a little bit. Our pork loin is nice and cleaned up. We're gonna cut these about 2 inches thick, just like that. I know, looks like a big chop, but we're gonna butterfly it open. We're gonna fan it out to make a nice looking chop that kind of looks like a steak. Let me do that with the rest of them. Now let's butterfly these open. We're gonna turn them on their side. We're gonna go right down in. About 2/3 of the way down. You don't want to go all the way. Just gonna fan it out. Just like that. Do that to the rest of them, and we're gonna season them up. Now we're going to liberally season our chops, both sides. Now this stuff is amazing. I'll drop a link in the description for you, so you can pick it up for yourself if you want to try it. It's got a lot of good flavors and herbs and crushed garlic and onions. Goes real good on steaks, chops as we're doing here. Just finish seasoning these up. We're gonna take them out to the Pit Boss smoker. We're running at 325 over hickory. We're gonna throw these on, get some beautiful marks on them, bring them up to temp, then we'll get a bite. I'll see you out there at the grill. Now we have the grill set up for direct heat and indirect heat. We're gonna start by putting the chops on the direct heat, getting the grill marks on them. Then we're gonna finish them off on the indirect heat side. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take them, throw them down, and give them about 2.5 to 3 minutes. Then we're gonna give them a quarter turn and flip them over. Let's give these a quarter turn. We're looking for those diamond marks, the hash marks, make it look real pretty. Give this another couple more minutes, and we're gonna flip them over. Let's flip these over, getting some beautiful color on them, beautiful hash marks. Let it go for a couple more minutes. Get the marks on it as well. Then we're going to put it on the indirect heat side and let them finish cooking. We have our beautiful grill marks on each side. Now we set it up for indirect heat. We turn the temp down to about 250. We're going to shut the lid. We're going to let it go for 5 minutes. We're going to come back and temp it every couple of minutes until we hit that 140. See you then. Now these are looking really good. Let's get a temp. We're at our 140 perfectly. We're going to take these off, get them inside, and get a bite. See you there. Let's get a bite of one of these. These really didn't take long on the grill. Beautiful. We got a nice little smoke ring to it. Still juicy. That's really good. It's a real good pork chop. It's perfectly cooked. It's still juicy. Give it a squeeze, you can see the juices going. You get the herbs, a little bit of that black pepper taste. This stuff goes great on pork chops, steaks. Little recap, we took our pork loin, we cleaned it up, got rid of the fat and the silver skin, made nice big thick chops, butterflied them open. We hit them with our killer hog steak rub, seasoned both sides. I'll drop a link in the description on where you can pick this up. We threw them on the Pit Boss smoker, around 300, 325 over some hickory for a couple minutes. Got the beautiful lines on them, and we got a bite, and you got yourself a delicious meal, about 20 minutes. If you like what we're doing here, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. Swing by our Patreon account. Check us out on there as well. Thanks for stopping in, and we'll see you next time.